Welcome to the MathLinks Essentials video series. In this session, we will look at how vocabulary is integrated into the program. Math Practice 6 is not just about computational precision. In the Common Core document, it states that mathematically proficient students try to communicate precisely to others. They try to use clear definitions in discussion with others and in their own reasoning. Here we will discuss some ideas for helping your students attain these goals. On the inside front cover of every student packet is a word bank, and precise definitions are in the back. You will find underlined vocabulary when it's first used, and we recommend that it be addressed in context. To help students make sense of the word, encourage them to rephrase the definition and include pictures and examples. In the review section of every packet is a crossword puzzle for vocabulary practice. This may be done individually or with partners. That's vocabulary in a nutshell. If you'd like to learn more, check out our other MathLinks Essentials videos or visit our website. Thanks for watching.